Dinék'ehjí. Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word of the day is áshłeeh, which means trying. Áshłeeh. It's a very useful word that can be used with the previous examples that you've already learned so far. Again, we're going to be using our common verb áshłeeh, which means I'm making, for all of these examples for you to get a feel for how this word is used. Again, for tonight's examples, keep in mind the basic Navajo sentence structure: object, action, verb. First example, when you say, I'm downloading some songs, which you've already learned, songs download, áshłeeh, songs being the object, download being the action, and áshłeeh being the verb, songs download, áshłeeh. If you're trying to say, I'm trying to download some songs, you would say songs áshłeeh download, áshłeeh. Songs áshłeeh download, áshłeeh. When you use the word áshłeeh, it goes between the object and the action. áshłeeh, songs áshłeeh download, áshłeeh. I'm trying to download some songs. Another example, if you're saying I'm trying to deposit some money, when you say I'm depositing money, you say money deposit, áshłeeh. Money deposit, áshłeeh, or money deposit, áshłeeh. I'm downloading some money. Now to say I'm trying to download money, money being the object, deposit being the action, and áshłeeh being the verb, you would stick áshłeeh between the object and the action, so it's money áshłeeh deposit, áshłeeh. Money áshłeeh deposit, áshłeeh. I'm trying to deposit some money. Another example, I'm trying to show him or her some pictures. So again, to say I'm showing him or her some pictures using my phone, like you learned before, phone be pictures show, áshłeeh. Phone be using my phone, phone be pictures show, áshłeeh. I'm using my phone to show him or her some pictures. To say I'm trying to show him some pictures using my phone, again you stick áshłeeh between the object and the action, which is pictures and show. So you would say phone be pictures áshłeeh show, áshłeeh. Phone be pictures áshłeeh show, áshłeeh. I'm trying to show him or her some pictures using my phone. Next example, I'm trying to send an email. So again, to say I'm sending an email to somebody, email, áshłeeh. Email, áshłeeh. I'm sending him or her an email. So to say I'm trying to send him or her an email, email, áshłeeh. Email, áshłeeh. This is if you're not if you didn't mention a name. If you're mentioning somebody like Gary, I don't know Gary, but anyway, Gary's the object, email being the action, and áshłeeh being the verb. To say I'm sending Gary an email, Gary email, áshłeeh. So if you're trying to say I'm trying to send Gary an email, Gary email, áshłeeh. Gary email, áshłeeh. I'm trying to send him an email. You can say it for a lot of different things. I'm trying to record it for him. Record, áshłeeh. Record, áshłeeh, ba, meaning for him or for her. Again, when you're saying I'm recording it for him or her, ba record, áshłeeh. Ba record, áshłeeh. So if you're trying to say I'm trying to record it for him or her, ba record, áshłeeh. Ba record, áshłeeh. You can even say I'm trying to lock it for him or her, like the door or something. Ba lock, áshłeeh. Ba lock, áshłeeh. Again, I'm locking it for him or her is ba lock, áshłeeh. Ba lock, áshłeeh. And if you're saying I'm trying to lock the door for him or her, ba lock, áshłeeh. Ba lock, áshłeeh. Or if you're just trying to say I'm trying to lock the door, lock, áshłeeh. Door being the object, lock being the action, and verb being áshłeeh. Door, lock, áshłeeh. door. Áshłeeh lock áshłeeh. Again, áshłeeh goes between door and lock. I'm trying to lock the door. Door áshłeeh lock áshłeeh. Or I'm trying to close the door. Door áshłeeh close áshłeeh. Door áshłeeh close áshłeeh. It can be used a lot of different ways. You can even say, I'm trying to use his or her phone. Ba phone áshłeeh bits aren't use áshłeeh. Ba phone áshłeeh bits aren't use áshłeeh. Again, object being phone. His or her phone. Be phone. His or her phone. Be phone. And then using or borrowing, which is using in this example, being the action, and áshłeeh being the verb. Ba phone áshłeeh bits aren't borrow. Áshłeeh bits aren't use áshłeeh. Ba phone áshłeeh bits aren't use áshłeeh. That's how you would use it. Again, you can say, I'm trying to text him or her. Áshłeeh b'ch'int text áshłeeh. Áshłeeh b'ch'int text áshłeeh. Or I'm trying to send them an IM. Áshłeeh b'ch'int IM áshłeeh. Áshłeeh b'ch'int IM áshłeeh. And that's how you would use that word. Áshłeeh. I'm trying. Áshłeeh. So that's tonight's Navajo word of the day. Again, if you have any questions in regards to this word, feel free to send me a message or IM me or whatever. And I hope you find these tutorials useful. Have a good evening.